Studio Chic C here with another drop for y'all. A digital business card. Yes, no more paper business cards, y'all. Just take your phone. All you have to do is bring the card up, tap. A link pops up, click it. And just like that, you have a contact card already ready to go and to be saved into your client's phone. You just hit create new contact. You see all of the information is already downloaded. All you have to do is hit done and it's added to your contact list on your client's phone. Once again, I'm gonna do it one more time so y'all can see this magic. All you have to do is have your client pull out their phone, they tap the card, the link pops up, you click the link, it pulls up your digital business card. It's already created, already filled out. All your client has to do is click create new contact. Everything is completed. You don't have to fill anything in. They don't have to fill anything in. Hit done, and it's added to their contact list. It's just that simple, guys. No more carrying business cards around. Nobody leaving your card or throwing it away, washing it in their pants, because we know that happens. Just one card, and that's it. Pre-order is available now on StudioChicC.com. Make sure you go over there and get your pre-order today, and the shipping will be on October 25th. All orders will ship out on the 25th, y'all.